Hey, what's up guys? Billy with Side by Side Stuff. I'm here with Nate from ZBroz, and Nate's going to tell us about their exit shocks and spring kits.
All right, so depending on what model machine you have, we have a lot of spring kits for the Razor XP1000, the Polaris General, but when you get into some of the utility side of machines, they come with such a poor quality shock that we actually replace the whole shock absorber. So if you're just looking to gain some ride height on your XP1000 or your General or your Razor S1000, spring kit's gonna be a really good option. If you have a Defender or a Ranger, you're gonna wanna look at the Exit 2.2 series IFP shock. And the reason that we replace the whole shock on those cars again is because the shock that comes on them stock is not rebuildable. It doesn't have preload adjustments, so just to put a spring on there, you wouldn't be getting the full benefit and ride height and ride quality that you want. So whether you're just looking for a spring kit or a whole shock kit, we got you covered. And as always, you can get all your ZBroz Racing products at sidebysidestuff.com.
All right, thanks Nate. There you have it guys, you heard it. You can find ZBroz products at sidebysidestuff.com.